Signal indicator. Live market buy sell signal indicator. In live market you will get calls like buy or sell, entry point, target, stop loss. Like that you will get calls in live market. Today it's August 4 Friday market after 10 o'clock. A buy call generator, green color candle open. That buy at 44,752 straight white line is our entry point line. Above lines are 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily basis in live market, it will analyze market movement and generate calls. So you can get the call, place the order in your broker account. Both the trading possible, like manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible in this chart. Today we have received a buy call, so it's a green signal is going on. Buy call came at 44,752. First target is 864, 112 point first target. At 11 o'clock, first target range breakout successfully. It's a 120 point momentum. Continuous bullish momentum, second target range breakout and 45,000 range also breakout. It's a more than 300 point momentum in the buy call. After 12 o'clock, trend changed, momentum changed. So sell call generated. Like this, it will analyze market movement. If market started to move in upper side direction, buy call will come. If market going on downside, sell call will come. Like that the calls will generate. You can watch the chart, get the call and place the order in your broker account. So for future trading you can get 100 point. For option trading in at the money you can expect 50 point momentum. Okay. If it's a slow market, sideways market mean, you can expect up to 40 point momentum for first target range. Today sell call generator, red color candle open at 12:30. So sell at 45,092, our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line. 44,979, 113 point first target range. In next few minutes, we can say after 1 hour also. After 1 hour, first target as well as second target, both target breakout in this sell call. Like this today, this sell call also performed well. If you want to subscribe for this chart, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. By subscribing it, daily you are going to watch the chart, get the call and place your order. Manual trading and auto trading both are possible. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.